Scorpio here at Mobile Concepts, and it looks like it's a good day to shoot some videos.
We like playing this little thing where we try to just get people to guess what's in here. Alright, give us your best guess. What do you think was in there? 312s?
I'll say 115.
Probably 212s.
I would guess like 212s.
I'd say 210s.
I say 115.
I'd probably say 215s, 2,000 watts.
It sounds like maybe 212s.
What if we told you 800 watts and 2 8s?
No.
Want to take a look? Go ahead and look at it.
Holy shit.
2 8s.
Holy shit.
What the hell? What kind of...
Oh my god. Let me run forward the rest of my Jeep.
I didn't know 8s could drop that low.
Yeah.
Yeah.